Hey y'all, welcome back. So I am here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from WOWAFRICAN. Everything about her will be in my description box below. Y'all see she gave me some goodies, extra wig caps. So this is the wig. She is 12 inches. She is a cute little highlighted bob. So this is what she is giving in the picture compared to what she is giving straight out the pack. She does have 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. And she does have that drawstring in the back for more security. Of course, you can wear this hair glueless if you want, but I am going to use my adhesive today. I suggest running a flat iron through wigs like this that comes like this. And you know what's crazy, y'all? My flat iron decided to break on me. I'm glad she did all of this after I was done with the review. So right here, of course, the hair underneath the wig is definitely just as important as the actual unit that you're putting on your head. I am going in and oiling my scalp with the Soft Degrowth oil. And then also I will be using their edge control as well. Super shook about the edge control, y'all. Mind y'all, the bathroom is hot. Like, baby, the lights have made 80 degrees more hotter. This edge control worked. So kudos to Softy, y'all. So that is what the lace is giving once I had added the foundation to it. I wanted to do a side part. I don't know, this wig was definitely giving 90s blowout. So remember I showed y'all how she looked as far as the picture goes compared to how she looks in person. When I tell y'all identical, I really love that they did not catfish, okay? Because she is definitely giving what the picture is showing. The highlights were so cute. She was such a full unit. I do like how simple this is, yet it is really, really fun. Honestly, you can even wear this without makeup. This is the perfect put on and go type of unit. This is literally a day and night wig for real. Like if you want to run errands in a day and go out at night. The pros, of course, is how the highlights look, how full this unit is, how soft she is. She holds a curl very well. That lace was really, really nice, and this is a glueless unit. The only thing that I would have to say about this unit is the drawstring factor. I feel like the drawstring idea was a great idea, but the way the wig sat on my head, it kind of felt like it bunched up. You want this type of unit to fit flat on your head. I feel like the wig got a little bulky on my head a little bit. You can't really tell, but I felt it. She didn't shed, she didn't tangle, so that was definitely a plus. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank WOWAFRICAN for sending me this unit. If you're thinking about picking up this unit, make sure you check the description box below. If you like today's video, make sure you are giving me a big thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you are pressing that subscribe button and also that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.